Mark is an owner of an alloy metal wheel manufacturing company, but recently he has been suffering from customer complaints, high returns, and refunds. Because Mark's factory had been using a random quality checking process, which meant that not all wheels were checked, sometimes poor quality products slipped through the production process and were delivered to customers. As a result, Mark decided he wanted to have an automated vision inspection solution to scan all wheels during production. However, with little background knowledge, he had no idea how to go about it. Eventually, he found Advantech's total solution. Advantech's intelligent vision inspection system already had an industrial camera, computer, and vision inspection software integrated, so he didn't need to worry about selecting compatible products. The machine vision software is designed with a graphical and flowchart-based user interface, and only 3 simple steps are needed: connecting the camera, configuring the image analysis tool, and communicating with external devices. So even the operator, without any programming skills, could easily configure the setup. Finally, after the system was implemented and the wheels were being fully checked, Mark decided he wanted to sort the wheels based on different sizes. Therefore, he needed to guide a robotic arm to pick and place different wheels of different dimensions. For this, the software's graphical user interface provided visual setup tools and loop control functions, which let the user easily configure and execute multiple tasks by setting branch or loop criteria to determine the next actions dependent upon certain results. This way, Mark's wheels could quickly be classified into various types and delivered to different end customers. Much to his surprise, the software could also output the results to the company's ERP system, which allowed Mark to analyze information and better manage his business. After embracing this solution, failure rates have dropped to 0%. Now Mark is a happy businessman once again because he has made his company more profitable and efficient than ever.